Hi guys, if you're watching this video, that means that we've finally reached 250 subscribers for this channel. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, and what better way to celebrate than with a giveaway. I started this channel back in 2008 with the desire to share my dream of helping you reach your full potential and live the life you deserve, which is your best life. So if you're looking to get more out of life, whether it be some new beauty tips, how to quit your job, how to start a business, or simply just join a community of people just like you, then I welcome you to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, so that we can work on it together. She sounds like she's talking off of a cue card. To all my friends, just want to let you know that you are now my friends and family, and I want nothing for the best for you. So I'm going to make this giveaway really simple. All you have to do is 1, be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, and 2, be a subscriber to my Instagram channel. So if you're here watching this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. There's one down below, there's one to the side of the video that you can hit, and so yeah, do that now so you can be entered into the giveaway. 2, go shoot on over to the Instagram page. It's Sherry Yvonne. That will also be listed below. That is the beauty page. And third thing, well, this is number 2. We're already on number 3. Okay, so third thing you have to do is comment below what videos you want to see. What do you want to see next on this channel? I feel as though we are at the point where this channel can go so many different ways, and I just want your input on which direction you want the channel to go. You are my subscribers, therefore you run the content on this channel. So once again, thank you, thank you, thank you. The secret emoji is the money bag. So when you comment below, also comment the secret emoji, which is the money bag, what you want to see next on this channel, and make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and the Instagram page, which is Sherry Yvonne as well. Alright? You've been talking too long. What are we winning? Yeah, we just want to know what we're going to win, okay? Enough of the rambling. Sheesh. Okay, so enough rambling. You guys will be winning either, you have a choice, $25 or a package of all different types of makeup. High-end, drugstore, you name it, and it's going to retail for way more than $25. I will put the retail value of the makeup package below. Hope you guys are having a great day otherwise, and once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I look forward to bringing you guys more of the content that you want to see. So, till next time, bye guys. Okay, so here we are.